Tired of juggling multiple loans and payments for your car business? Well, traditionally, that's the route folks had to take. Imagine you're starting a car rental company. You've got your eyes on a couple of shiny beauties you'd love to add to your fleet. To make that happen, you'd have to take out multiple loans, each with its own set of terms and conditions. That's not one, but multiple payments you've got to manage every month. And let's not forget, each of those loans leaves a mark on your credit. The more loans you take, the more your credit takes a hit. It's like a carousel that doesn't stop spinning, and it's enough to give anyone a headache. Managing these financial burdens becomes a full-time job in itself. The stress, the struggle, it's all part of the deal. But what if there was a way to streamline this process, a smarter way to finance your car business? Enter Car Putty, a game changer in the car business world. Car Putty has introduced a new line of credit, a lifeline for car companies with a whopping $200,000 at your disposal. The beauty of it? You have just one payment to worry about. Gone are the days of juggling multiple loans, multiple payments, and multiple hits on your credit. With Car Putty, you pay on what you use. And here's the clincher. As you repay, you can reuse the money. It's like a financial boomerang. You throw it out there, buy a couple of cars to kickstart your rental company, and as you pay off, the money comes right back to you. Want to expand? No problem. Your line of credit is ready and waiting, allowing you to buy more cars and grow your business. Sounds too good to be true? Just wait till you hear our success story. Meet John, a simple man with a dream to start his own car rental company. He had the drive, the passion, but what he lacked was the capital. Traditional loans were an option, but the thought of multiple hits on his credit score and juggling numerous payments was daunting. That's when he discovered Car Putty, a game-changing line of credit designed specifically for car enthusiasts like him. John started off modestly, purchasing a few choice vehicles using his Car Putty line of credit. He meticulously chose cars that he knew would be popular among his target customers. With time, as rentals picked up and payments started flowing in, he was able to repay the credit he had used. Unlike traditional loans, Car Putty turned out to be a revolving door of opportunity for John. As he repaid the used credit, it became available for him to use again. This unique feature gave John the financial flexibility he needed to grow his business at his own pace. As the business grew, so did John's ambitions. He saw potential to expand his fleet, cater to a wider customer base, and grow his revenue. With Car Putty, he was able to do just that. He tapped into his line of credit, purchased more cars, and expanded his business. In a span of a few years, John went from owning a handful of cars to running a successful rental company with an impressive fleet. His credit score remained intact, his payments were manageable, and the growth of his business was steady. John's story is a testament to the power of Car Putty. It's not just a line of credit, it's a tool that empowers car enthusiasts to turn their passion into a thriving business. It's a system that replaces the old and cumbersome process of managing multiple loans and payments, and it only hits your credit once. From a couple of cars to a thriving rental company, all thanks to Car Putty. Now, imagine what Car Putty could do for your car business. Instead of juggling multiple loans, you have a single line of credit. A line of credit that's a hefty sum of up to $200,000. Now that's a game changer. One payment, one credit hit, and the freedom to expand your business at your own pace. No more compromising on your fleet of cars or dreading the multiple payments. It's like having your own personal money pit, but without the pitfall of damaging your credit. But remember, like any financial tool, Car Putty works best when you have strong personal credit. So, keep that credit score high and you could be approved for those sweet high limits. Say goodbye to the old way of multiple loans and payments and say hello to Car Putty. It's a win-win situation for your car business.